In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Koyfin Custom Charts. We'll start by getting into the main charting workspace in Koyfin, called the Historical Graph, labeled G. In the top search bar, type the ticker or asset you want to analyze. Think examples like AAPL, BTC, or GLD. From the results, open the historical graph for that asset. This is your flexible canvas, where you'll build and refine a custom view tailored to the way you like to analyze markets. With your chart open, begin adding the data you want to see. Click the option to Add Metric and choose from Price History, which you can display as a line, candlestick, or OHLC. Technical indicators like RSI, moving averages, and MACD, or fundamental metrics such as price to earnings, revenue, and market cap. You can browse through categories if you're exploring, or simply search for a specific series when you know exactly what you need. If you want to compare assets, click Add Ticker to overlay another symbol. Great for looking at Bitcoin versus Ethereum, or SPY against QQQ. Any metrics you've already added can be applied to the new ticker, so your comparisons stay consistent and meaningful. Next, fine-tune how everything looks. Click on any series tile to adjust its color or line style, or to modify the calculation, like switching a moving average from 50-day to 200-day. If your chart starts to feel crowded, use the eye icon to hide or show series without deleting them. For scales, right-click the y-axis to toggle between linear and logarithmic, or to choose whether series share a grouped axis or use separate axes. This is especially helpful when you're plotting values with very different magnitudes. Control your time frame by selecting start and end dates, or by scrolling to zoom in and out. If you're working with daily data, consider turning on a volume subplot to add context to price moves. Once you've built a layout you love, save it as a reusable template. Click Save at the top of the chart, give it a clear descriptive name, something like Price plus 50-200 SMA plus RSI, and save it. This lets you reapply the exact same setup to other tickers in the future, so you can analyze different assets with the same consistent framework in just a few clicks. That's the full workflow. Open the historical graph, add and compare data series, refine the visuals and scales, and save your setup as a template. Follow these steps, and you'll turn Koyfin into a powerful, personalized charting environment that fits your process.